Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, I'm going to give you a recipe of fish. All right. Remember, Chef Ricardo, I'm always doing fried fish back in the days, but I'm gonna give you the healthier way, or you can do this one not in the pot on the stove, but in the oven. All right. So what you need to do, marinate your fish with a normal fish season, spring onion, garlic, and thyme. Just marinate your fish, and once you marinate your fish, put it down for it to soak. All right, so I'll take my one from the fridge, ready to cook now in the oven. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is to show you. All right, this is some mix, like this is like fish mix. You can use this for chicken and all these things, but I just buy this pack and I have it and I decide to use it. But I can make my own with plain flour, but just to make a little bit shorter today. All right, so this is the fish which I'm already marinated. Scale off, marinate. All I'm going to do is to dip in this flour mix right here. And put it on this tray. I did the video like this in the chicken, and now I'm gonna do the fish to show you. I put the link in the description box, or I marinate the fish for you. Nice and lovely, guys. So that's the fish. Now I just marinate flour. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, oh, that's gonna be working in the oven, but I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do now. All right, so that's the fish. All I'm going to do is get the light fry oil and simple. It may not gonna taste the way oil used to taste when you fry it in the oil, because you're frying it into oil. All right, but this way is more healthier. All right, now I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake it for roughly about 20 minutes on a medium size heat. Electric oven 175. If you're using gas mark, 6 or 7. 20 minutes to 25 minutes in the oven. All right, enjoy it. Simple recipe, but healthy. Nice and lovely. So in the meantime, the fish is cooking. We're gonna cut up a little bit of vegetable for it to make the fish sauce. All right. So first thing you need to do is to get 1 medium-sized carrot. I'm gonna cut them into some wedges. That's the carrot. Now we're gonna get a medium-sized chocha. Chocha, it do have another name. I don't remember the name, but I know it have another name. If you know the other name for chocha, please write it in the description box. Nice one. That's the chocha, so I'm just going to be using half of the chocha. White onion. Spring onion. Someone always asks me what kind of knife. It's just ordinary knife, but I keep them, not really ordinary knife. They call them Japanese knife. Very good knife. And them sharp. This is some green pepper. Nice one. I believe I'm doing a little bit too much, so basically I want to hold back a little bit of this because I'm going to be doing a stir fry cabbage and I want some to put in it. Nice, lovely. I'm going to be using, now I'm going to use Scotch bonnet pepper. Put a clove of garlic in it. I'll be using Scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm not going to be using Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be using chili because of who's going to eat it that doesn't like the hot food. Alright, so we're just going to cut up some chili in it. And these chili that really hot, then just mild. Left piece of my nice one. All right. So what we want to do now is fry it off. But before we fry it off, we're gonna put some pimento seed in it. Little bit of dry chili. Really nice, I'm telling you. Some pepper. I just put on my pot and turn it on a medium size heat in the meantime. This is really good. Garlic and dried tomato is one of the best ever. I love it. Look at this. You don't have to put this on it. This is just Chef Ricardo kind of tweet up my recipe, you know. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry it off in the healthier way. No oil. Nice. So simple. Spray my frying pan with the light fry oil, which is the best to use at home for weight loss. I'm telling you guys. Just put in your vegetable. Don't make a pot really too hot, because you don't want that. So that's the best way to do it. Don't make your pot too hot. Then you just burn up everything. Nice and lovely, guys, as you can see. Once you're cooking this kind of vegetable, all you need to do is have it on a medium-sized heat. Alright? Beautiful and nice. I got some vinegar, which I'm going to put inside of it. But I only have the dark vinegar. If you have the white one, please use. Alright, so basically this is almost finished now. So just put this one side and it will continue to cook by itself as it goes along. Alright guys, so this is finished. I'm gonna step this off. So I'm just gonna leave it make it go and steam by itself. So this is for the fish. Lovely recipe. Nice and lovely. So this is the fish. Look at it. Really lovely. Nice. And that's exactly what I was saying to you guys. You don't need to fry your fish into no heavy oil. Simple. It may look a little bit dry, but honestly it is moisture and everything is proper, really good. You know the way I did it. Alright, so anyway, what we're going to do is let's transfer it over to something else to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. That is amazing. You know what I mean? Yeah, lovely, simple, and nice. No oil. That's it. Yeah, very, very simple recipe. Then what we're going to do next is put on some vegetables on it. Look at this, with the sauce and everything. Lovely. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about right there. Amazing, lovely, and nice, and tasteable. So enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. It is a fantastic and lovely recipe from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. That's the fish. Fish and rice. Can't go wrong. This is some stir-fried cabbage. This is not a joke thing in the kitchen. I mean, I said to Chef Ricardo, I'm gonna do something fantastic and nice. Please enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.